when we go on holiday, one of the first things that we do is find the pool, show Lorenzo the pool and make sure that he's aware of it and is careful around the pool. So walking, because obviously it can be quite slippy around where pools are. At the moment we're in a stage where we run most of the time, we run everywhere. We practice getting in and out of the pool. So we sing the little song that we sing, which is all the little puddle ducks sitting on the wall. Turn, turn, turn. And we climb in, don't we? We practice Lorenzo's jumping in as well when we're on holiday. So he'll be sat on the side and one of us will be in the pool ready to catch him. And we use the same signal that we use in our Puddle Ducks lessons. So we say Lorenzo, ready, jump, and then we're there ready to catch him. When we go on holiday, we take a woggle with us, and if you cut it in half, they fit in your suitcase really well, and they're nice and light as well. And we can use those in the pool for Lorenzo. He puts his arms over them, and either he'll kick, kick, kick and swim himself, or we can sort of move him around the pool with them. We use crab walking for Lorenzo to get from one place to another because he likes to move around, but he can't yet swim across the pool, so he uses the side of the pool to hold on, and we practice crab walking along the side. And if in doubt, splash!
Splash.